Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you some simple methods to help fix slow Wi-Fi speeds on your iPhone. Slow Wi-Fi can be frustrating, especially when browsing the internet, watching videos, or using apps. So let's go through a few things you can try. Let's get started. First, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off. This will disconnect your iPhone from the network and allow it to reconnect. Now check if your Wi-Fi speed has improved. If the problem continues, open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Find your connected Wi-Fi network and tap the info icon next to it. Scroll down and tap Configure DNS. If it is set to automatic, tap it and select Manual. Remove the current DNS servers if needed. Then, tap Add Server and enter 8.8.8.8. Tap Add Server again and enter 8.8.4.4. Once you're done, tap Save. Now test your Wi-Fi connection again. Another thing to check is whether a VPN is turned on. Go to Settings and make sure your VPN is disconnected. A slow VPN server can sometimes affect your internet speed. You can also try restarting your iPhone. If the Wi-Fi is still slow, restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Finally, test the same Wi-Fi network on another device. If the internet is slow on other devices too, the problem may be with your router or internet connection. In that case, you may need to contact your internet service provider. That's it. These are some simple methods you can try to fix slow Wi-Fi on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.